Hi and welcome to AJ Snark Attack 2020. Yeah, I'm a little behind. Been a little bit under the weather and trying to get caught up. What is this about? Well, Art Joy is Sharing, which is our Facebook group, has done a monthly challenge each year doing journal prompts. And this year we decided to do something fun. So we're doing snarky pages. And it's a free 31-day art journal prompt challenge for the month of October, and it's offered by Art Joy is Sharing Art Community. So Chelsea and I have put this together and hope you will come along and play with us. So uh, there is a list of snarky prompts, and you don't have to follow them. You can use your own snarky prompts, or you can use what's on the list. You don't have to go in any special order, but we would just like to see you make a habit of making art journal pages each day. So, the first prompt on the list was, I wish everything was as easy as getting fat. And I had to laugh about that. I had an idea of what I wanted, couldn't find the image. And so when I was digging through things, I found this gal, and she definitely looks like she's going to the gym for a workout. So I thought about all those times that I had busted my buns going to the gym, trying to get rid of the fat. And there's kind of a story to this. I did find a piece of dictionary page that says bullheaded. Yeah, that's me. I was bullheaded. When I turned 60, I decided I was going to go take kickboxing, because there was a gym, it was a complete body makeover gym, and they were supposed to, be the do all end all. And I thought, if I can't do it at 60, I never will be able to do it. So I went to this gym. The first day they looked at me and they said, you're going to need a release from your doctor to come here, because it was very strenuous, very intense. But I stuck it out. I honestly did it for a year. I lost some weight, not enough, but I did get toned. I did learn a lot about nutrition, all that stuff. Did I become a skinny girl? No, it just wasn't going to happen. My body says, no, not a chance. So, after about a year, and because it's kind of expensive to go to a gym like that, I decided, well, I just go back to my regular gym and work out there with the rest of the fatties. Because, it's real easy to be a fatty. So, I'm just putting some color through a stencil here, creating my background. This is one of those tall journals from Ranger, and just a good size to do this because we're going to be doing pages every day, and I want to make sure that I get something done. So if I do a huge book, and I have done a huge book in the past, I may not finish, especially with the way I've been feeling. I've really, been through the ringer. Uh, we had enough trouble here before I got sick, but I'm pushing through it. I decided that today I'd go to my desk and try to accomplish something. So, anyway, I found some other quotes besides the I wish everything was as easy as getting fat. I have this, like I said, I have this image from Art Inspiration, Art Impressions. I think that's what it is. I don't know. And I have a sticker, Big Mama sticker from Art by Marlene. Sorry, just playing around with the glue here, trying to stick some stuff down while I talk to you. It says Big Mama, and then that bullheaded text, because she needs something to stand on, right? She needs to be standing on the page. I wanted to push the background back a little bit, so I got out this Paper Artsy paint in a soft blue. And then, I used a stencil that had numbers on it because I was thinking about, how when you're in those classes where you're doing like jazzercise or something like that, you're counting off your steps. And so I'm counting what I'm doing. I'm counting my calories. I'm counting everything. Not that it's getting me anywhere, but I did find these other two quotes, and let me tell you what they say because I think it's hysterical. First one says, "Does running away from your problem count as exercise?" I don't know, why not? Everything else seems to count as exercise. And, oh, excuse me. The next one says, "Yoga class? I thought you said pour a glass." So anyway, my little image, I decided to use some washi tape for her tutu, give her a little bit of bling, little bling bling mama. And yeah, here's the numbers. And I'm just going to let you watch as the page gets constructed because, yeah, it's one of those things that I don't have a lot to say about. If you have questions about what I'm doing, be sure and put them in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, I guess there are still people that are new to my channel. I don't know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I know you hear it everywhere you go, but it means a lot to contributing creators if you do those things because it lets YouTube know that you like what we're putting out and puts us in the algorithm anyway. Lately, the algorithm's been kind of lousy. I don't know if COVID's got anything to do with that or what, but I'm using this Stencil Girl stencil. It's got a Seth Apter face on one edge, and I want to give the impression of people in the background. You know how it is when you're in the gym and you've got people behind you, people beside you, people all over the place. So I thought I'd give the impression on the page with that stencil. And then here I'm finding that uh, text, the dictionary text for bullheaded. And I'm going to put a little purple on that so that it looks like the rest of the page. And I'll tear that out and give her something to stand on. And then I will start creating her tutu by adding the washi tape. And I am going to use some stamps. I'm going to use some Posca pens. I'm going to use some, what are those? The Neo 2 crayons with a little bit of gesso to colorize the image. The gesso will keep the Neo Color 2, which is water soluble, from moving once it dries. So that's my plan anyway. I'm going to cut out my tutu, get that on there, and continue to create. So come and join us. Remember to answer the questions if you go to the Facebook group because we want to make sure that, you're not some spam, make sure you're a real person and that you know what the rules of the group are so that, we want to create a safe environment for people that come and join us doing these challenges and things. It's not for advertisement or any of that kind of stuff. It's not gimmicky. It's for us to create art and to share what we do. So I'll speed things up and give you a little background music, and here we go.